Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Zoom meeting in Chrome browser or in your browser. So here, I actually have opened the invite link on my browser. Here is the Zoom meeting invite links, and the browser will suggest you to open the Zoom meetings on the apps. But if you don't want to whether install or download the apps on your laptop or computer, you can do this trick. So you can just open it on your browser. So in this pop-up message, you can just click on cancel, and then here at the bottom the Zoom will question you don't have Zoom client installed, download now. So click on download first, and after that the download will be uh you can just cancel it. And after that, here is the question again: having issues with Zoom client, join from your browser. So just click on this, and then after that you can just click on type in your name in here, and then click on join here to join the meeting without having to install or download the apps. You can just join the meeting in here. You can just type in your name. Okay guys, so I think that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.